Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan. Today I go outside and we will continue to test the Oukitel WP100 Titan, world's first 33,000 mAh Roger smartphone with built-in projector. First, check the appearance. The design is a traditional Roger phone design, and it's just like a brick because the thickness reached over 3 centimeters and the weight is over 0.75 kilogram. And also for the front side, it used the punctual screen, and the screen is synced compared to the four corners. For the Oukitel WP100 Titan, it used the 6.8 HD plus 120Hz refresh rate screen. Display resolution is 1080x2460. Here we can go to the settings to check the more information about the device, and it's powered by 60GB RAM plus 512GB ROM, and also the octa-core processor from MediaTek Dimensity 7300, 200 megapixel main camera plus 32 megapixel front camera, and the triple camera system is 2 megapixel macro and 20 megapixel night vision. And here is the projector at the front, the top side of the smartphone. Here are the volume buttons and the focal length adjust buttons. And this side we can find the power button with fingerprint and also the Type-C charging dot. At the back side you can find the 1200 lumen campaign light and triple ray camera system with night vision infrared emitters, and also this time is powered by Android 15. For the massive 33 mAh battery, you can stay powered for days with the ultra high capacity battery and heavy duty use. Now we can go to the very simple drop test of the Oukitel WP100 Titan, because it's besides the many functions and features I mentioned, it's also a Roger device. It supports IP68 and IP69K. So we will have the drop test and the waterproof test, so you can check how powerful this device is. And also I will see the camera this time is also good. The 200 megapixel pro grade camera can capture every moment in stunning details, one of the highest resolution cameras available. We can show you the different filters and different modes, and also record some videos to test this lens. Yes, I can have some sample pictures test, and also I put the sample pictures at the end of the video so you can check the qualities of the images I taken. Okay, normal one and 200 megapixel mode, night vision, night mode. Okay, this is the 32 megapixel front camera. Can adjust my position and the light angle to check the performance of the front camera. Now I climb to a hill, small hill behind my house, and I can show you the details of the pictures later. NT light or light, natural light. And also the video part. I can walk, running, and check the stability of the camera system. I will also record a short video, vertical short video, to check the video performance. and also the zoom performance. And okay, let's also test the zoom and also the macro performance of this camera, of Oukitel WP100 Titan. So this is the video. Okay, when we record videos, we can also turn on the camera light. I think it's very useful. Normally we cannot watch the light directly from our eyes because it will hurt our eyes, but now it's the day, so we can check, we can see, we can watch it. And yes, this is the back side. And next I will use the macro to shoot the picture of the grass, the micro volt. I really like to see the word macro volt. Yes, very funny. I will also put the sample pictures of the macro function at the end of the video, so you can check the performance as well for the camera part. Okay. Okay, again. Okay. So yes, this is very quick, very simple outdoor camera test of the Oukitel Titan. And now yes, we can check the camera zoom of the Oukitel WP100 Titan. Triple row camera system and dual color LED light, and also the okay guys, now we will test the IP68, IP69 rating drop test. Okay, first from the bottom on this angle, and the ground is not so hard, it's soft ice and storm. Okay, front side. Again, front side. Okay, everything's well. Seems everything's okay, and even the projector works well. Yes, camera light works well. Okay, you can see from this angle the screen is synced, and the four corners are enhanced and bumpered up right, so you can protect the screen well. Okay, this is for the drop test, and now we will do the waterproof test. I will put my Oukitel WP100 Titan into bucket, and I will turn on the tap, and I will let the water full of the bucket. And first, let's turn on the stopwatch so we can check how long the foam into the I put it into the water and how long it can survive. Now I already turn the stopwatch, and also now the water was injected to the bucket gradually. So this is very nice. And also let's make a comparison with another from Oukitel as well. So this is the Oukitel WP100 Pro, and I will turn on the stopwatch so you can check. It's not a fake waterproof test. And now the water was almost full, and I close the tap, turn off the tap, and also we can check. Now we can check if it's survivable because the several minutes has passed. Yes, 3.48 minutes. So, sorry, that's 3 minutes 48 seconds. And yes, 4 minutes for the WP100 Titan. Because firstly I put this foam, then the WP200 Pro, and as you can see, I turn on the camper light in the water. It works well, and for the SOS and also the shiny mode, both works well, even in the water. And this is the camper light. For the camper light, as I mentioned, I used the 1200 lumen camper light. It's very, very powerful, I think. And also for the camper light is bit similar to the Unihertz Titan, but for the standby time or for the battery lasting time, I think this one better and longer, because the 33,000 mAh battery is super and the first. Also for the charging speed, this time they use the 66 fast charging. Unbelievable. And also this is amazing projector features. It's also supported by the WP100 Titan. Now, after the waterproof test, the projector function works well, and as you can see, if we go to cinema mode, the screen you watch, it will automatically adjust the size and also the directions. It's very convenient, and also we can use the physical buttons to adjust it. And clean, and for the even update, the performance is good. Yes, and also the 100 lumen built-in project is also nice if we compare it with the Unihertz. Its battery is, I think, it's almost doubled. I think it is 10,000 longer, bigger than the Unihertz Tank 2, and also the lumen is almost 2.5 times. For the Tank 2 is 40 lumen, and this one is the 120. So this is very, very nice. Yes, everything is fine, and even under the water, in the water, we tested the projector, and it works well. Okay, very, very nice. And here's a hint, because I will also test the the WP200 Pro is also a very funny and imaginative smartphone from Oukitel. So here is a hint, because on my following videos I will show you more details about the WP200 Pro. It's also a powerful 5G radio phone from Oukitel. And okay, now let's come back to the Unihertz 100 WP100 Titan. And now this phone is preview on Kickstarter platform, crowdfunding platform, and also we can find more information, detailed specifications at the official website or social media. And for the Oukitel, it was a national high-tech company with advanced and experienced research and developer team for professional radio phones and radio tablet. And okay, so if you want to learn more about the product, maybe also this product, you can go to the Kickstarter or go to the official website of Oukitel, and you can leave your email or follow their campaign. And now let's come to today's and the last part test of the Oukitel WP100 Titan. And as we can see, even I put it into the water for several minutes. I tested the camera and everything's fine. And now again I will try to test the projector again in the water, under the water, and now outside of the water. Everything works fine. I think this is very convenient for the outdoor lovers. They provide recreation entertainment solutions for the outdoor lovers. It can be used as a big power bank, and also can be used as a projector or speaker. Listen music, have fun, watch videos, and watch movies, and power your other devices. Everything's wide, and it's a radio device, so you no need to worry about the waterproof, the water, the rain and snow, because it can also work under low temperature. It's very suitable for the outdoor lovers, for even if you will stay in the mountain or caves for a long time. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.